Hi, Luis Uribe here with the Server Virtualization team. Today, I want to show you how failover works in IMM domains, and also how to disable a VNIC from Intersight. In a UCS domain, failover ensures that traffic automatically fails over from one uplink to another in case of an uplink or device failure. With failover enabled on a VNIC, the Fabric interconnect is responsible for carrying the traffic when a failure in a path occurs. Typically, with failover, a single VNIC is carrying a specific traffic. A real-world scenario of this is a bare metal operating system installation. In this example, we have a server with three VNICs, each of them serving a specific purpose: data, management, and migration. In the event of a failure, redundancy is provided by the hardware through the failover setting. This setting can be configured within the VNIC in your LAN connectivity policy on the server profile. To set up failover for IMM servers, navigate to your server profile or locate the LAN connectivity policy and select Edit. Within the policy, edit the VNIC or VNICs where you want to enable failover. Scroll down and enable failover. For proper failover operation, make sure Action on Uplink Fail is set to link down. This setting changes the operational state of a VNIC to down when uplink connectivity is lost, and enables Fabric failover for VNICs. This is the default option. After this, redeploy the server profile. As a note, this change requires a reboot of the device. Therefore, consider scheduling this change during a maintenance window for production servers. After configuring failover, you can confirm the creation of a passive virtual interface (VIF) in the inventory interfaces of your server. In the event of uplink failure, this passive VIF becomes active and it handles the traffic of the server. To see the passive interfaces, navigate to the Servers tab and locate your server from the list. Click on Inventory, Network Adapters, and then Interfaces. If hardware-level failover is not desired, you can provide resilience to virtual machines or servers by configuring NIC teaming or bonding at the OS level. This configuration involves creating pairs of redundant VNICs within the OS. You can specify whether one VNIC is active and the other is on standby, or if both are active. These are the current supported teaming bonding methods for UCS servers. This is an example of a server using pairs of redundant VNICs. NIC teaming should be configured in the operating system. There are instances where you need to verify failover, such as for path isolation purposes. In such cases, a VNIC can be disabled from Intersight, preventing disruption across the entire domain. By disabling the VNIC, the impact is restricted to the path of that particular server, similar to shutting down the VNIC. To disable enable a VNIC, go to the Servers tab and locate your server. Click on Inventory, Network Adapters, and Interfaces, and look for the VNIC. Then click on the three dots and select the action you need. Thank you for watching.